So let's dive into the practice because your life and breath is about to change. I'm talking about sectional breathing. Sectional breathing, one, it's a yogic breathing technique. Two, in this, we are going to experience three distinct sections of the lungs: abdomen, chest, clavicular, abdomen, thoracic, clavicular. Did you know that you're breathing shallow every single day? It is time to break that pattern and come to sectional breathing. Three, it's a perfect antidote for psychosomatic disorders. Psyche is your mind, soma is your body. Problem mind में आता है, manifest body में होता है. Problems like depression, anxiety, fear, stress, mental distress, emotional distress, all are psychosomatic problems. Practice this and again break this pattern of your psychosomatic disorders. Before starting the practice, you have to by heart these 4 mudras which goes along with the practice of sectional breathing. Mudra number 1, mudras are gestures which brings happiness to the mind. Mudra number 1 is chin mudra. See this kind of gesture. Number 2, 3 fingers going inside, chinmay mudra, thumb going inside, adi mudra. And the 4th is brahma mudra. Sitting in Vajrasan or Sukhasan, we will begin with the practice. You will first adopt Chin Mudra and place it gently over your thighs. As soon as you apply Chin Mudra, direct your mind to your own breath, breathing in and breathing out. You will experience that the breathing is predominant from your abdominal region. You will experience when you're breathing in, abdomen is coming out. When you're breathing out, abdomen is going in. Practice this for at least 2 minutes. Coming to the second mudra, that is Chinmay mudra, 3 fingers going inside. As soon as you adopt this mudra and you direct your attention to your breathing, thoracic breathing will be predominant. You can experience inflation and deflation of the lungs. Again, practice for 2 minutes. Third mudra, Adi mudra, thumb going inside, 4 fingers curled over the thumb. As soon as you adopt this mudra, clavicular breathing will be activated. You can experience at the apex of the lung. When you breathe in and breathe out, you can actually experience on your clavicular region. Last and the final mudra will be Brahma mudra. In this, you can experience complete yogic breathing. You can experience your abdomen, chest and your clavicular region. And when you chant Omkar or Brahmari Pranayam with this, the experience will be doubled. The experience will be magnified. So this practice is especially for mental health. Sectional breathing में पूरा खेल mudras का है. If you do it without the mudras, there is no point of doing sectional breathing. You won't be able to experience the essence of sectional breathing. So yes, remember these mudras and practice and see the difference in your breathing.